click on the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest update from this channel. Hello friends, in this video I will show you how you can bypass FRP lock on Vivo Y20. So this method also work on other Vivo mobiles. First of all, we need to change the language. I just selected Urdu and then select country Pakistan, then next, then next, then wait a little bit, then skip this one. Now click on any Wi-Fi and you can see here world icon. Long press on it. Here is settings, then enter keyboard. Then we need to select again any language which have this arrow, Urdu, and then 3 dots, second options. Now click several times to share this one. Click here and click here 2-3 times and click on share. It will let you go to YouTube. Just swipe down and cancel it. Now accounts and settings, about, Google privacy policy, click here. Now your Google Chrome will open. Here we need to search FRP Faisal from faisalmobile.com. Just search FRP Faisal. And here is the first link, click on it. Now you need to download Open Hidden Settings. Download it and as you can see it's okay, it's downloading now. Just go back, or you can search FRP Faisal again. Click the link and now we need to download Quick Shortcut APK. Download it. Okay. Now click on details. Our files are being downloading, so both are completed. Just first install Open Hidden Settings. It will let you go to the mobile settings and we need to change the language from Urdu to English. So go to the system. Now you just need to change the language from Urdu to English. Here you can see, just add English language and swipe up, and now our mobile is English. Or you can simply delete the Urdu language. As you can see, I am just deleting the Urdu language. Yes, tick this one and delete. Now our phone is in English language and we do next process. Just go back and we need to open the Quick Shortcut APK. Go back to the website, downloads, and install Quick Shortcut APK. Settings, give permission and install it. Open it. Now here we need to find lock screen, and you can see here settings. Click on here, choose lock screen, choose screen lock. You can see clearly. Click on it and it will let you go to this screen. Then we need to click on here try. You can see, just click here and now you can give any pattern or pin here. So I am just going to give my pattern. next, confirm. Now we need to restart our mobile so we can set up our mobile. So just restart it, and now we need to set up our mobile, and it will let you go to bypass FRP lock or Google lock. So here is the complete method. Don't skip any step so you can understand what's going on. And if you have any problem during the process, you can comment me. Hopefully I will answer you. So this method also work on other Vivo mobiles which have latest security, so you can use this method also on other Vivo mobiles. So our phone is started up. I just gave the pattern. Just click next, agree, and just skip this one. It will take a little bit time. It's checking updates. Now here we need to give our pattern which we set it before. So just as you can see, there is skip button now, and you can skip this screen and skip, next, okay. It will take a little bit time over here, and it's almost done. Congratulations, our phone is started up successfully. There is no lock at all, there is no Google lock, so you can use this mobile freely. You can check its version, Android version, and model number you can see here. Hopefully you like the video. If you like the video, do subscribe, like and share. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.